The Party Electoral Commission has officially received the withdrawal letter. And as I've told you, whereas as a result of the withdrawal of other candidates for election, there remains only one candidate, the returning officer shall immediately declare the remaining candidate elected and opposed.
Nandala Mafabi represents a person with a big heart. Epitomizes generosity and is a go-getter. I have taken a decision to step down in favor of Nandala Mafabi James and again, gladly so, not with a heavy heart, and before the cameras of this country and of the world, to say that and give assurance to Nathan that if there is just one person who will walk with you in this election, it is going to be me. That the same way you have never abandoned power is the same way that I will never abandon him. This decision is not taken out of cowardice. This decision is not taken out of fear for competition. This decision is taken in order for us to keep our party together, so that we may stay united and move as one into the election of 2026. This decision is about saving the FDC the much needed finances that would have gone in organizing and carrying out a delegates conference to elect one leader. I would prefer, and I'm speaking to the Treasurer General, and he's here, even if the Honorable Kanya has left his deputy, the Honorable Chambade is around, that there would be money that would be used in the delegates conference tomorrow should be taken to support our candidates in the election of 2026 all over the country.
We have no hatred for anybody in this country. Our party is our party of members with respect. We preach unity in Uganda, and as I stated, none of us has ever applied to God to be born in Uganda. We all found ourselves in Uganda, and we must enjoy it. In the mountains where I come from, we grow coffee. If this coffee was not there, I'm sure many of us wouldn't be here standing to talk to you. It helped us to go to schools while we were under cooperatives. And that's why when I was given an opportunity to become a chairman of a cooperative, I knew the purpose why cooperatives are important. So we have built with this cooperative union to date to support our people so that they can fight poverty, so that they can take their children to school, so that they can get medical attention, so that they can do whatever they can for their lives by fighting poverty. This is not enough. Our education system is for well-to-do. If you have no money, you can't manage it. We need an education system which works for all of us. Whether you're in Koboko, or Kasese, or Kisoro, you must attain a best education, and after attaining it, get a job. Without selling land, without selling your children to educate a few. Our health sector is broken. I am worried for my colleagues, the politicians, especially MPs. Every now and then they're getting phone calls of medical bills in the Mulago Hospital, in other hospitals, for people where their supporters demanding. This should not be the case. It should be the state to provide medical health for everybody. Overall, poverty is killing us. That's why our motto for this election, our driver, is fixing the economy of this country and having money in our pockets. If you have money, you have medical. If you have money, you have education. If you have money, you have food.
I request you to thank for these two young men for making it easy for us. Having generated a consensus with our aspiring candidates, I hereby call off the delegates conference. I call it off the delegates conference, which had earlier been scheduled for 31st July 2025, to elect the presidential candidate. This is in conformity. This was intended as a result of adhering to the constitution of our party.